Hello there, my friend, and welcome to this My Lead Gen Secret training. It's the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, sharing with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. What you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, smash notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be answering the question, what is My Lead Gen Secret? And if you're a marketer looking for targeted people to talk to about your opportunity, you want to stick around to the very end of this training, because not only will I be sharing with you proof that My Lead Gen Secret works, I will also be showing you how you can get access to some amazing step-by-step bonuses. So let me go ahead and share my screen. So My Lead Gen Secret is a platform that gives you access to 100 fresh USA email leads every single day like clockwork. You don't need to have a website. You don't need to spend money on paid traffic, and it costs you as little as $1 per day. And what you get as a member of this platform is you get 100 drip-fed business opportunity email subscribers into your contact list. Every 24 hours, they just land in your contact list. You can actually email these leads once a day from the back office, and you can earn $5 monthly residual income from your personal referrals. And if you're to refer 5 people within a week, you get a $100 bonus. Refer 10 within a week, you get 200, and so on and so forth. You get paid through check, PayPal, and Bitcoin. So that's essentially is what My Lead Gen Secret is. So if I log into my back office here, and I just go to, this is the home page. Once you have one active referral, you get 200 fresh email leads daily. And you can see here the last email I sent an email every single day. Last email was sent out to 112,400 leads, and that's the open rate and click-through rate. And here, just to show you the leads, every single day, like clockwork, 200 leads appear in my back office. I can see that in the next 10 hours, 25 minutes, and 36 seconds, I'm going to get another 200 leads. The leads have their addresses, email, phone number, everything is there for you, and they're yours to do as you please. And here is the mailing system. What I do is on a daily basis, I click here, select all. I select all the email leads I want to email. I leave this email to appear to be sent by me. And then I can choose which email I want to send, because once I send an email, it's actually stored. So what I'm doing is I'm building up a series of emails that are proven to convert. So once I know that an email has converted, like this one here, I can just load it, and then I can personalize it as well, and then hit perfect timing to improve my open rate. And then there's going to be a send now and preview button. In the next 16 hours and 36 minutes, I can preview the email, test the links, and then hit send. So this is essentially what My Lead Gen Secret is. It's a platform that gives you access to 100 fresh USA leads appear in your back office like clockwork. You have the addresses, the phone numbers, the email addresses, the physical addresses as well, and you can work these leads whatever way suits you. And not only do you get access to the leads, you can actually email them in 3 simple steps in your back office once per day. Now, the question that's on your mind is, do these leads actually convert, right? Are these real people looking for home-based business opportunity, and do they pull out the wallet and actually buy things? Let me show you proof of that. Share my screen once again. I'll firstly go back into My Lead Gen Secret here, go over to affiliates, go to downline. Wherever you see, we track everything. Wherever you see MLGS, these are leads that converted from within the back office. Wherever you see MLGS, these are leads that were emailed from the mailing system and ended up converting. Some of them even clicks the link in the signature and actually converted from the signature line, because I was promoting something else in the main email, like this one here, signature, right? And then what I show you what to do as well is how to actually promote ClickBank offers to these leads. And every 90 days, I earn a little under $400 from My Lead Gen Secret leads clicking the ClickBank offers and going ahead and making a purchase, right? So if you are interested in checking this out, I have some exciting bonuses for you. I have 9 step-by-step video tutorials taking you by the hand, walking you step by step through what you need to do in order to start generating leads and sales from My Lead Gen Secret and ClickBank as well. And not only do I have those videos where you're looking over my shoulder, I actually have step-by-step emails that you can copy and paste. The first email is actually an upsell where you have to pay one time for these master email swipes. Once you pay for them, you can actually instantly transfer them into your mailing system and email them. However, if you're willing to do a copy and paste job, then I give you access to them here for free. And then here I have My Lead Gen Secret emails that have been proven to convert My Lead Gen Secret leads to My Lead Gen Secret offer itself. Okay, so I have, how many do I have? I have 14 of those. I have a swipe of the day. These are emails that are, but all these emails I'm sharing with you are not written by me. They're written by top marketers. These are other emails that are proven to convert My Lead Gen Secrets. They're just from a different marketer. And then ClickBank, these are, I have 27 emails that have been proven to convert ClickBank offers to My Lead Gen Secret leads. And then here, this is where I get the emails from the creators of the ClickBank offers. I just give you access to them. I would recommend, as you can see here, I have recommended on these 3. All right, actually, I should bold that, capitalize that, I suppose. But those are the ones that I recommend that you use. My Lead Gen Secret emails, swipe of the day, and ClickBank. You just kind of rotate those emails. And then here I have 50 generic email swipes if you want to use them to promote any other offers. I have 180 generic, you want to use them to promote other businesses. And then we have subject lines that are proven to increase your open rate. So all these are from other marketers that I'm sharing with you to increase your chances of you actually getting results. So just to finally finish up here, these are the commissions I've earned. We actually get paid 5 levels deep, so we leverage our network, but we also earn monthly recurring commissions as well. So when I scroll all the way down to the bottom, I can show you the commissions that I've been earning. I've earned $4,109 from this platform. I've been paid every single time, and I have $90 there. Once I have 30, I can actually request a payout, but I just let it build up. So that, my friend, is what My Lead Gen Secret is. If you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description. You can create a free account, and if you decide to upgrade, I will give you access to those bonuses so that you're not going in blindly. You have a system, a platform that's proven to convert. You have emails that are proven to convert, and you have access to the same leads that are converting to others as well. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link. Just a quick disclaimer, at the beginning, you're going to have a small number of leads to email, and they'll be cold leads to you. But the more you email them, the more they warm up to you, the more leads you go emailing, because you'll go from 0 leads to 3,000 in the next 30 days, because every day you'll be getting 100 leads. So if you continue consistently email these leads, they'll start to build a relationship with you. We show you how to format your signature line, have to have your image there, and everything is there for you. All you have to do is click the link, create a free account, have a look around, decide if it's for you or not, and we have everything that you need to take you step by step through how you can start to earn a passive income with the system. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. Have a fantastic day.